In this video, I want to show you the Rescale File feature of the Megapack. Now, what this will allow you to do is rescale or repurpose a PowerPoint, OpenOffice, or PDF file into a different size. For example, converting 8.5 inches by 11 inches into 6 by 9, for example, or changing the fonts in there, and also, or additionally, changing the margins and the gutter margins. So whether you have a template that you'd like to quickly repurpose in a different trim size, or you're having a bit of problems with your margins and you need to increase them, take a look at the Rescale File feature. So once we load the Megapack, next to choose an option, we want to go down to Rescale File, hit OK, and then we want to choose the file that we wish to rescale. So hit Browse, and then down here you can see that we can choose between a PowerPoint file, an OpenOffice file, and a PDF file. Now, before I start, I will say this is a one-click tool again, and it uses a best guess to rescale and repurpose, and it does work best with PowerPoint and OpenOffice files. But the best thing to do is load up your file in here and give it a go yourself, and then if there are any amendments that you need to make, you can do so afterwards. So let's start with a PowerPoint file, and then we'll go with this anxiety log here. And then you can see here, it's loaded all the fonts that it's detected in my presentation. That's just the one here. And then here, I have the option to make changes. So if I want to change any text element in the presentation that matches that font, hit make changes here, and this the same applies as you go down this list as well. If there's a font there and you want to target all instances of that font, then you click make changes there. So I'm going to hit make changes, and then this will enable the following options here. So we can either choose a brand new font, so we can choose any that you've got installed on your computer, or of course you can leave it the same by selecting don't change. Let's go for Century Gothic, and then here we have a choice for our font size, so we can adjust this manually by ourselves. So 0 will stay the same, 10 will add 10 onto it. So if your font size at the moment is 20, if you choose 10 it will become 30. And you've also got minus, so if your font size is 20 and you choose -8, it will become 12. And then we also have the option here to auto scale. So if you want the program to use its best guess as to what the best font size is, tick this box here, like so. So once you've chosen all your different fonts and settings, next option here is your trim setup. So this is the new size and margins that you want your template to be adapted to. So again, you can choose any width or height, and if you want to keep it the same, if your presentation, for example, is 8.5 by 11, put 8.5 by 11. If you want to change it, put your new dimensions in here. So I'm going to go for 8.25, 8.25. And then again here, I can set my left and right margin, my top and bottom margin, and my gutter margin if I wish. And then hit save as. And again here, I have the options to save as a PowerPoint file, a PDF, or an OpenOffice file. Let's just call this Anxiety 2. Hit save, and then OK. then it's done. So let's load them both up. So let's load anxiety and then anxiety 2. So as you can see here, it has repurposed and rescaled my interior, like so. And then if I go back in again, hit OK, and I'll just show you a different one. So this is just one I downloaded of Creative Fabrica. Hit open, and I believe it was 6 by 9. So let's change that to 8.5 by 11. I'm going to add a gutter margin on it, and then let's change these fonts. Let's change that to Railway Black, and then this one to this one, and auto scale on both. And then I'm going to call that Garden 2, hit save, and then OK. And if I load both of them up for you, it's the gardening. This is the original here, and then this is my new version here, as you can see, with my different margins as well, like so. And this of course keeps them all fully editable as well, so you can make changes and adjust them just as you normally would. So I hope this quick introduction video to the Rescale feature of the Mega Pack helps you. Thank you for watching.